Hey everyone, I'm Aswanth, a secondary 4 student that has a passion that is a little unusual but super important today: cybersecurity. It all began with one question that kept me up at night: how do hackers actually break into systems? That curiosity soon turned out to be a passion, and that passion found direction when I joined the cybersecurity program. Over 24 sessions, I just didn't learn cybersecurity, I lived it. We even explored how malware silently sneaks in, and how phishing email even tricks smart people, and how ransomware locks up our files for ransom. And you know what's the coolest part? We even use real tools like Wireshark to analyze actual network data. We even learned how stolen data is being traded in the dark web for exploitation purposes. My favorite session was on ethical hacking. We tested for weak passwords and used tools like Nmap and exploit firewalls and VPNs. That wasn't just about coding, it was about protecting people and lives. And we also talked about cyber ethics. How just because you can do something with tech, that doesn't mean that you should exploit it for bad purposes. Using skills responsibility is what being an ethical hacker is all about. I also realized how much cybersecurity affects our everyday lives, from online shopping to using smart TVs or even unlocking cars with our phones. This isn't just a tech skill, it's a life skill we all need. We even explore how password managers help create strong, unique passwords for each account, and that plus two-factor authentication, which adds double protection. I now understand how social engineering works, tricking people rather than systems. And lastly, I'll never forget, never click on suspicious links. More than the tools or theory, this program helped me find my purpose, and I know that I want to build a future in cybersecurity and ethical hacking in a world where everything is connected: phones, homes, cars. We need people who can protect the world and our lives. And I genuinely believe that this is where I belong. I'm excited to keep upskilling and go deeper into penetration testing, bug bounties, capture the flag competition, and even zero-day vulnerabilities. I'm also looking forward to joining a polytechnic where curiosity is encouraged, skills are sharpened, and passion becomes a real-world impact. With a solid foundation from this cybersecurity program and a head full of ideas, I'm ready for the next chapter to grow as a cybersecurity protector of tomorrow. Thank you for listening. If cybersecurity sounds exciting to you, start exploring. It's an amazing world out there. Special thanks to SmartTech Junior and Mr. Shankar for being a wonderful teacher. Lastly, stay safe, stay smart. Cybersecurity is the future.